All right, let's move on to the throw. Before you throw your yo-yo, you want to make sure the string is going over top of your yo-yo. If it's underneath of your yo-yo like this, it's going to either catch on the end of your hand, see how it's not coming off, instead of when the string is going over top, it just comes right out of my hand. You want to make sure the string goes over top of the yo-yo every time. So this is the proper way to throw a yo-yo. We can't just drop our yo-yos like this. It's not going to generate enough spin for our yo-yos to spin for very long, and you definitely can't perform any tricks this way. So here's how to properly throw the yo-yo. You want to make a big muscle up by your ear. Your throw hand should be right up by your ear, and make sure your elbow is going straight out and your back is straight. If your back is kind of like slouched over and you drop your arm too low, your yo-yo is going to hit the ground, and that's not what you want. Before actually throwing your yo-yo, practice the motion of just swinging your forearm out like so. And if you notice, when my arm reaches all the way out, my palm is going straight up, okay? This is what's going to guarantee that your yo-yo spins straight. You don't want to flip your hand over too early, because that is going to cause your yo-yo to tilt, and that is not what we want. Using just your forearm from your elbow to your wrist, you want to throw your yo-yo straight down towards the ground. What I mean by that is if you throw outwards like this, your yo-yo is going to use all of its energy traveling outward, and it's not going to spin very fast. It's not going to make it back up to your hand. So what you want to do, again, is when you throw your yo-yo, you're throwing it straight down towards the ground. I tell all very young new yo-yo throwers to throw their yo-yo as hard as they can. This will ensure the yo-yo spins for a long time and it has a strong spin. So if you kept your hand straight and you threw straight down, your yo-yo should be spinning straight at the end of your yo-yo string. When you're ready to return your yo-yo, you're going to turn your throw hand from palm side up to palm side down, and you're going to flick the lower half of your arm straight up to catch your yo-yo. Your yo-yo string is like a path. Wherever it is, your yo-yo wants to follow. Like if I push the yo-yo straight out like that, the yo-yo is going to shoot back to my hand at an angle. So when you're practicing returning the yo-yo, make sure your string is in a straight line, and when you tug, tug straight up. If you're throwing it and it's spinning back and forth and you go to tug and it's back here, it's going to be really hard to catch your yo-yo. You only want to flick the lower half of your arm in order to get the yo-yo to return. Like I was saying about this string acting like the path for your yo-yo, if you flick your hand all the way up here, it's going to make your yo-yo go in a direction you don't want it to go. Once you tug the lower half of your arm to get your yo-yo to come back, you don't want to try to reach down and like grab your yo-yo too early. It's not like a football or a baseball where you kind of have to like grab it out of the middle of the air. That's going to prevent your yo-yo from winding up all of the way. Once again, once you throw it down, you just need a firm tug of the lower half of your arm and it will come right back to your hand. A lot of people when they're learning realize that their yo-yo is going to tilt, okay? And with all due respect, almost every time that happens, it is because of the yo-yo player. It's not like the yo-yo can just tilt on its own, okay? So there's a few different things that can happen that cause your yo-yo to tilt. If mid-throw your hand flips over too early because maybe you're mixing like the old way that you throw a yo-yo versus the new way that we learned today, so you flip your hand over a little too early, that's going to cause your yo-yo to tilt, not spin for very long. If your arm isn't throwing perfectly straight, like so, or if you start to turn your body, which a lot of people do, that's also going to make your yo-yo tilt at the bottom of your string. This is not what we want. A lot of new yo-yo players also complain about their yo-yo not spinning very long, okay? As you can see, I just kind of dropped the yo-yo and maybe I got 10 seconds out of it and my yo-yo is already losing spin power, okay? So like I was saying earlier in the video, I tell all new players to throw as hard as they absolutely can, and that will make sure that their yo-yo spins for very long. If your yo-yo is hitting the ground, that means, like you just observed, I'm dropping my elbow super low and then my yo-yo is hitting the ground, or your string is too long. So make sure that your string is an appropriate length, right around that belly button length, and that way your yo-yo won't hit the ground. A lot of new players find it difficult to catch the yo-yo as it comes back, because it tends to come back pretty quick if you have a really good throw with your hand. You want to make sure, again, like I was saying earlier, you treat your yo-yo string like a path for your yo-yo to travel on, and as long as it's in this straight line going back to your hand, it should come straight back. Like I mentioned earlier, if you throw your yo-yo and it's moving all over the place and you go to tug it back, it's going to be a lot harder to catch. Or if you move your hand super high, that's also going to make your yo-yo really difficult to catch. One more time, the way to get your yo-yo to come back is just with a simple flick of your wrist, lower half of your arm, and it will follow the string right back to your hand. Just make sure you're paying close attention to all these small details. It's really easy once you learn all of them to put all of them together, but when you're first learning, you're going to struggle a little bit, and that's okay. That's the beautiful part about yo-yos, is that every time that you make a mistake, all you have to do is rewind your yo-yo and try again.